Advanced Systems Private Limited is the market leader in providing terminal automation systems in India with a growing international presence. AST is a solution provider in measurement, control and automation. Advanced Systems, being an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, believes in excelling whether it is quality of a product or service. Static electricity develops whenever there is movement of solid or liquid products, such as in case of loading or unloading of liquid in tank trucks, or movement of products in silos, hoppers, tubes, etc. This static electricity, if exceeds safe limits, is a safety hazard. To overcome all such hazards, AST presents state-of-the-art smart ground detector. There are three indicating lamps on the unit. Each lamp, when on, represents the operating state of the unit. Red denotes that the earthing has failed. Amber denotes that the power is on. Green denotes that earthing is safe and system is ready. What if the smart ground detector is not installed? Normally used loading procedures and grounding techniques are not adequate to ensure complete safety, which can otherwise lead to fatal accidents. Conventionally, single earthing clamp is used to ground the vessel. Apparently, it is quite popular due to perception that the vessel is grounded. However, this primitive method does not ensure complete safety. If there is earth breakage as shown here, it is not possible to detect the same with this method, which can again lead of avoidable accidents. To overcome such accidents, Advanced Systems takes pride in developing smart ground detector, an answer to your safety-related issues. Why the smart ground detector? Static charge is generated by the movement of material. Insulators like rubber tires, paints, gaskets and seals do not offer low resistance parts to safely dissipate these static charges to earth. When this happens, high level of charge may accumulate on the part of the system isolated through gaskets and insulators. This accumulated charge could cause a spark in an explosive mixture of hazardous products and air. This occurs, there is a chance of explosion. Three important functions that prevent such an occurrence by means of smart ground detector are: first, the smart ground detector makes sure that the resistance value in the earth loop is maintained at the preset value of the earthquake. If the resistance in the loop rises above the preset value of the earthquake, the unit should stop, ensuring complete safety. Secondly, the smart ground detector continuously checks the continuity of the loop. While doing that, if there is a loose connection or a breakage in the loop, smart ground detector will detect it and will stop the unit to ensure safe loading. Third, and most importantly, the smart ground detector controls the static charge on the tanker and the charge that is produced during the filling. If the charge developed is higher than the rate of dissipation to earthquake, the smart ground detector shall trip the system. Not only will it trip, but it will also allow the charge to drain off in the earth. If all the three parameters are satisfied, that is, the loop continuity is okay, if the loop resistance is less than the allowable value, or if the rate of dissipation of static charge is at the allowable rate, then the green lamp on the smart ground detector will glow, indicating that the system is ready to load. As an alternative to earthing clamp connectivity, AST also offers ball and socket type arrangement to ensure positive connectivity of desired element to the ground. Smart ground detector is an answer to safety related to earthing, be it refineries, petrochemical complex, paint industry or pharmaceutical industry. As a feather to the crown, smart ground detector has been given certification from the country's highest authorities for safety, namely Chief Controller of Explosives, that is the CCOE, and the Central Mining Research Institute, that is the CMRI. Smart Ground Detector has proven track record with more than 2,000 units installed and still counting. These are some of our esteemed customers. Smart Ground Detector has gathered accolades for satisfactory performance and operation. We shall be waiting for your valued enquiry on sales@advancedistic.com and anticipating your call on 0265 304 1100. We are Advanced Distic, creating solutions, delivering value.